I've been working putting up insulation. I got all of the ceiling done in the kitchen and all of this wall done. That wall almost all the way done, except behind one panel there. And this wall I have not got done. And in the bedroom, I have not got the ceiling done yet. I just got 2 panels up. And then I need to do all of the walls. I was trying to see how much wood and insulation I can fit into my Jeep. It actually holds a lot. It's freaking out Daisy a little bit, but I got lots of insulation.